Hey guys, so it is a beautiful day here in Naples, Florida, and I was thinking about going for a walk. So there's a lot to do in downtown Naples. Most of it revolves around eating and drinking, but when you wake up to a beautiful day, why not just go for a stroll? So I'm gonna take you through downtown Naples. I'm gonna stop by and show you where some of our favorite places to eat are. We might even find some cats. So slide on those flip-flops and let's get out of here. So first things first, if you're looking for access to walk around Fifth Avenue, there's some parking garages tucked away that almost always have spaces available. You can also parallel park right on the avenue, but sometimes it's nice to go for the sure thing. So right here at the intersection of 5th and 41, you have Sushi Thai. This has been a Naples staple forever. They have a great happy hour. It's a fun place to sit outside and people watch. We don't get a ton of pedestrian traffic in Naples, so make sure to look both ways before you cross the street. And here we are, 5th Avenue South. The heart of Naples. Beaches, shopping, and dining. But mostly just dining. Baba Persian Bistro is a great place to get a unique dining experience. They have some really nice cocktails, really fresh food. Across the way you have Aqua. That car is literally always parked outside. Pazzo's is a really classic Italian restaurant. I think it's a pretty overlooked spot in Naples. They're actually one of the sister restaurants to our favorite Chop City Grill. Be on the lookout for our full review of this. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can get notifications on when we review a lot of these spots. Bistro 821 is another Naples favorite that's been here forever. Make sure you check out their happy hour and tell Nick at the bar that we said hi. Oh, did I say happy hour? Cafe Milano has probably the most underrated happy hour on 5th Avenue. They have 50% off their entire menu. Be sure to call if you're here in season because sometimes they'll change the times on you. And then right there across the street is a really unique shopping experience. It's called Wind in the Willows. It's a great place to stop if you have a little baby on the way, or a niece or nephew to buy something for, granddaughter, grandson. They have a lot of really cool kids' toys and books and things. And then they have a lot of apparel for ladies. And then if you look closely, you might even find one of their little Persian cats in the window. Hi, baby. Don't want to wake her up. All right, let's keep going. A lot of construction going on right now as they beautify the area and add some cool new shops and restaurants. This little shop is so cool. You can get a lot of really neat seaside gifts. They have fun bracelets, shells, jewelry. You can get some art for your beach house if you have one. Big fan. You can bring a piece of Naples home with you. Also a lot of places as you walk that showcase seasonal rentals, homes for sale. A lot of them are way over our budget, but you can dream. Don't be afraid to go in and browse a lot of the art galleries that are along the way. See if you can pick up a piece to take home with you. Yaba is another fun little spot, island-style cuisine. Regina has some of the best escargot I've ever had, and they do a lot of live music throughout the weekend. If you're looking for a show, check out the Naples Players. Looks like they've got Footloose coming up next. Ocean Prime is another popular spot, set up right next to the Inn on 5th. This boutique-style hotel has an amazing rooftop pool, and it's the most perfect location. nothing says I went on vacation in Naples like bringing home some fine jewelry with you. Is that a thing? Is that something rich people do? On a beautiful day like this, there's also a lot of places to stop and just relax. Maybe enjoy a cup of coffee, have some beautiful conversation. Enjoy the shade. But today it's actually a little cold, so I'm going to keep walking in the sun. This place, if you've been to Naples before, you might remember was a monkey bread shop. But now you can grab yourself that nice cup of coffee I was talking about. That I think is pretty new, unless I just have been living under a rock, are these little mini parks that they've got tucked away in the little alleyways on 5th. Grace and Shelly's Cupcakes has been popular for a while. You can grab yourself a little cupcake to go, or maybe be the life of the party at your next family gathering. All right, I think it's time to cross the street so we can show you one of our favorite spots. These are probably the two most well-known and always busy spots on 5th Avenue. You've got Tulia, which is some rustic Italian dining. And then right next door, you have the Gastro Pub Bar Tulia. Both offer up amazing cocktails, great food, and it's not going to break the bank. Enjoy enjoy the Bartollia menu outside, make sure to check out Nona's Garden. Thai Udon has some amazing Thai food and sushi. And then down here at the end, we have the sister location to our friends over at Tulia, the French. This is one of our favorite places to go for brunch. They have simple French food and some amazing frosé. So that's it for Fifth Avenue, folks. Thanks for taking a walk with me. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss notifications for more walkthroughs like this. And stay tuned as we plan our trip to 3rd Street South.